Want curtains that are truly 100% blackout? Then look no further. I'm Gracie with WTI, and these curtains from Drapexpert are the nicest curtains I've ever owned. Immediately out of the package, you'll notice the quality is superb, and they have a beautiful textured woven geometric jacquard pattern that added so much character to our room. They draped beautifully right out of the package. I didn't have to iron or train them. There are so many beautiful colors to choose from, but I fell in love with this mint green and silvery color, which is soft, elegant, and has a sheen to it. These will look beautiful in any room that you hang them in. They have high quality metal grommets that slide over the rod smoothly. And if you're a light sleeper or just love a dark room while you're watching a movie or taking a nap during the day, then you will love the 100% blackout feature. I mean, check out how this completely blocks my phone's flashlight. And they also help provide thermal insulation, so you'll notice they help keep your room much cooler in the summers. So if you want style, privacy, better sleep, and just make your room instantly more luxurious, then these curtains are the way to go. And that's my point of view.